What's up? It's $1,000,000 J, and I am back with another video. I just really quickly I did this halo look. I'm not the best with halo looks yet, but practice does make perfect, and I figured my goal is to really be authentic with this channel, and I want to show my success as well as my failures with you. I really like this look. It's very cute. Hope you guys really like it. If you do like it, please subscribe, comment, and thumbs up. But enough of talking, let's get into the video, sis.
Bitch, I got my drip, bitch, I got my swag, I'm out walking late, looking like a bag, I keep lots of guap, keeps a lot of cash, everything on froze, all my bitches bad, bitch, I got my drip, bitch, I got my swag, I'm out walking late, looking like a bag, I keep lots of guap.
You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. And I know in that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing, no. And I know in that hotline bling, ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Bottles of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. And I know in that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing, no. And I know in that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing. And I know in that hotline bling. I think it's kind of funny. You could say you love me, you turn around and play me, yeah. I think it's kind of funny. You say things you don't mean, underestimate me, yeah. I have always done right by you. Said you never gonna lie. Shit gon' come around full cycle. I flip the script on you. Tell me why you mad, tell me why you hurt. Bet you didn't think that the tables would turn. You gon' fuck around, I'ma do the same, yeah. That karma, how you like that karma? Yeah, that's just fair play. Be careful with me. Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings that you hurting and bruising? You gon' get the whole world, but is it worth the girl that you losing? Be careful with me, ay. It's not a threat, it's a warning. Be careful with me. My heart is like a package with a fragile label warning. Be careful with me. You be careful with me. Work. He sent me happy work. He see me do me dirt. See me put in work. When you are gonna learn. Me no care if I'm hurt. I deserved it. No time to have you lurking. He don't go act like he don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in the crisis. I believe all in your dreams and adoration. You took my heart and my keys and all my patience. You took my heart on my sleeve for decoration. Mistaking my love that I bought you for foundation. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll piss off the neighbors in a place to feel the tears, the place to lose your fears. Yeah, reckless behavior in a place that is so pure, so dirty and raw. In the battle day, you fucking and fighting on. It's a paradise and it's a war zone. It's a paradise and it's a war zone. Paradise, war zone. A paradise, paradise, a war zone. I think I'd lie for you. I think I'd die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things that you want me to. Like controller, controller. Like controller, controller. I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. Ooh, oh, oh. And last night, I think I lost my patience. Last night, I got higher expectations. Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you could take it. I hope you could take it all. Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime if you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch you, if you let me love you till the mañana. If you let me love you. Grips on your waist, front away, back away. You know that I don't play. The street's not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT. There's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray, I pray. I need a one dance, got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance, got Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. Baby, I like your style. Ooh, I was good, I'm on, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded fuck. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded, huh? I used to trip on that shit I was kicking till you had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, yeah, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on a hit list, tryna fix your issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fucking white horse in a carriage. Bet you never could imagine. Never tell you you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Ooh, oh, when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing, no. And I know when that hotline bling, that could only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Bottles of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline play, that could only mean one thing, no. And I know when that hotline play, that could only mean one thing. And I know when that hotline bling. I think it's kind of funny. You could say you love me, you turn around and play me, yeah. I think it's kind of funny. You say things you don't mean, underestimate me, yeah, yeah. I have always done right by you. Said you never gonna lie. Shit gon' come around full cycle. I flip the script on you. Tell me why you mad, tell me why you hurt. Bet you didn't think that the tables would turn. You gon' fuck around, I'ma do the same, yeah. That karma, how you like that karma? Yeah, that's just fair play.